14-year-old boy charged with attempted rape and wounding with intent. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 14-year-old boy accused of entering his victim's room and attempted to rape her has been arrested and charged following the incident on Crawford Street in Mount Salem, St. James 3 days ago. The teen, who has been charged with attempted rape, burglary and wounding with intent, has not yet been named because he is a minor. Reports from the Montego Bay Police are that at about 11:40 p.m. on January 2nd, the boy again entered to the victim's home where he attempted to rape her. A struggle ensued and he reportedly used a knife to inflict several stab wounds to the upper part of the body and the head of the female. During the incident, the female managed to raise an alarm and he ran from the home. A day after the incident, on January the 3rd, a citizen arrested the boy and escorted him to the police station. He was charged after a question and answer session. The police said that his court date is to be finalized. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.